Ambril. Yes, we're in Tomas Morato. We're attending a birthday pakain. 20 Lance birthplace. Kung mapanood ito ni Inday Teres, that's where you used to live. Kaso lang gabi. Hindi mo makita. Yun. Diyan kami kakain sa Palm Grill. Yan. Huwag ka munang tumawid, TTT. Sabay tayo. Yun. Alright, take a photo now. Yan. Diyan. But there are so merong izakaya. There's Kanto Freestyle. Ang memory ko sa lugar na yan was the Pizza Project. That's the same building, no? For Pizza Project. Can you remember that? Alright. There's the traffic. Ito, para makatawid tayo dyan, kailangan, palakasan ng loob. Sino bang nandyan? Can you see your nephew's karu? Yeah. So that's Tomas Morato in the evening of a December night. So tatawid na tayo. Susugod lang tayo. Otherwise, hindi yan sila. Ay, hindi kasi green pa. We'll wait for it to become red para they're not in a hurry to make harurot. Tawid na yun, mauna na yun. Parang wala pa yung host natin. Oo. Or dun sa taas. Baka pag reservation, baka dun sa taas. May second floor eh. Palm Grill, authentic Southern Mindanao. Ah, really?
I already told you that.
Define Southern Mindanao. Davao.
Pasul.
But I don't remember that. Ah, okay.
There's that
Oh. Good evening din sa'yo. Ikot tayo. Anong mga binibenta nila? There's a sombrero worth 2,000 pesos. And some bagalia. Old Town Coffee, 390. So dun sa area na yun, they grow ano ba? Or ano to, imported. Baka Indonesian ano yan. They have this big thingamajig. Yun. Wala pang tao. Asan na si TTT? Akit na ako. Mauna ako para we can video. Kasi this is kinda medyo private event. So hindi tayo mag-vlog doon. Tignan natin kung sino nandyan. Ah! Nandyan na sila. Okay. Baba tayo. Can you hear their voices? Papatayin na natin. Nandyan na sila. So, yes. Papatayin ko na yung vlog. Attention naririnig. Lagi.
Go! Pati yan sa birthday girl.
Okay, so dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this rare gathering of siblings. We thank you for the life of DC. Yay! With good health for more socializing. For ako nga bulalo. Hindi pala alam ko ano yung bulalo. Ito pampano. Anong pampano sa English?
Pampano.
Pampano.
At kinain din, pero nakikipin. Iniwan ko na sa kanya.
Kapal ng maro, ang ganda.
What is this yellow?
Ganda.
I've never seen
Chicken.
that much marrow.
No, para I can apportion to all the boat. I just
Wow.
need the scoop. Para you all have nice marrows. Yes, thank you. Kuya, pahingi ako na ano. Yeah. For the soup.
Dinner time. The very thing we came here for. Silip lang ng konti. There.
Mas lalo the bigger one. Gonna do the bigger one.
I'll do it in my cooking show.
No, we don't want to start fires.
Ipakita ko to sa mga
Mga friends mo.
friends.
Parang this is the way we eat. This is the way we eat bone marrow in the Philippines.
Wow, look at
At
that.
the beef. Yan yung beef.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Tapos na yung dinner. Di na natin dinlog like I said. So nasa labas na tayo ng Tomas Morato walking towards the ABS-CBN area. But I'm not sure kung aabot tayo sa ABS-CBN area. So it will turn out to be a very short vlog for today. So mabuti na lang. The sky is clear. Oh. I can see the stars. Wala siyang clearly now the rain has stopped. So kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan sa Pasay. Pag umuulan sa Pasay, ibig sabihin naulan na sa buong Metro Manila. Kamaynilaan. Yes. Busugers. Yung saan tayo kumain?
Palm Grill.
Sa Palm Grill.
Mindanaoan cuisine.
Yeah, Mindanao, Southern Mindanao cuisine, which includes Zamboanga,
Sulu.
Sulu,
Basilan, Tawi-Tawi.
Basilan, Tawi-Tawi. Curious ako sa Basilan. I want to visit Basilan before I die. The sister of my mom, who was a doctor, para siyang OFW sa sarili niyang bayan. Doon siya nagtatrabaho sa one of the hospitals, or maybe the only hospital in Basilan during his time. So, curious ako kung anong itsura ng Basilan. Malayo lang no? Ang presyo mo dun para ka nang nag-out of the country. Or baka mas sigit pa. I think wala naman akong ichichika sa inyo. Unless may makita tayo something interesting banda doon. But for now, it's good night and hasta la bye-bye.
Ciao.